The payouts just come. The payouts just come, guys.
Good morning. Good morning. Wow, I got a minute. Way too late today. Way too late to the party. I'm assuming copy trader's on. All right, 15 seconds till the open. Good luck today, guys. Good luck. Oh, I hate the short, but no. I almost got filled short. Well, that was easy. Kind of. I almost changed it to 30 ticks. I would have missed it. Well, that was a fast profit. I'll pull up all the accounts up here. Yeah. All right, so I got 1, 2, 3 accounts at full payout, 2,000. So I don't know if I should just scale down the size on these. Yeah, that was a quick breakout. Kind of got lucky there with the top tick. That's the risk I play with when it comes to larger target, but I'll take it. All right, so main accounts are over 3,000 at least. All of them. So that's pretty solid. And then pretty much all at 4,000 now that I look at it. The main ones that I started with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 accounts. These I passed with the 90% off sale. All right, good morning, guys. I can focus on the chat now. Oh, that was let's make sure everything copy traded. All right, my funded futures copy traded, which is always the toughest one because it's a different route, different data feed. I was not able to request a payout from my funded futures. I think you need to be at 53,100 minimum. So our research yesterday was not good enough. All right. I am 1 win away from a payout on FIDUS. Even though I won't be able to request that till end of the month, I will not trade this account once it gets to 52,600. Just to secure 1 payout. And then my ball knocks accounts are ones I pay out already. I just want to get a maximum payout, which I was already. The highest point of this account was actually this is the highest point on the account, but it was close to this before. I needed one win, and that's when I lost. So hopefully tomorrow is not a loser. I need to get this to 53,000, 54,100 on Friday, by Friday. All right. Big sell off here. I'm going to probably switch over to Top Step and trade Top Step. My opening trade is 29 ticks. I think I'm going to work on the Top Step eval. All right. We got 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I got lucky there with top tick. So I was unlucky last Friday. And I got 2 days in a row. I got pretty lucky. So I'll take it. All right. Maybe I should work on the overlay. Let me update the overlay since I got some time now. And then we'll trade the top step. I could show you guys how I do the overlay too. Oh God, it's gonna load all my photo templates because my computer was shut down. Oh, look at that. Is that like all my oh, so that's how I did it. So I just cropped it and these are like my photo booth templates that I work on. It's my full-time job. I guess I never saved my Photoshop last time. All right. So we'll do so 30,000 for January as the goal. And then we'll do I guess I'll just do this. Or I could do lifetime. Oh, what a sell-off. My lifetime payouts. 43,250. 43,250. 345, 550. $390. So that's what I'm gonna put for now. All right, I think that should be fine. And now I just gotta save it. Did I get snow yesterday? Yeah, not a lot. Okay, now I could change that finally. Should have done this yesterday, but I was lazy. There we go. Okay, now we got all right. Hit the likes on the stream, guys. We're gonna switch over here soon to Top Step, I think. I didn't record my trade. Oh no, I forgot. I wanted to record all my trades. I guess I could pull it out from the stream, but accounts are looking juicy. Damn. A lot of chop, I guess. Is tomorrow FOMC or is it FOMC minutes? I feel like we just had FOMC. If it's just minutes. Then we just have FOMC. That was the craziest day I've ever seen. With the crazy drop. Like 1,000 points in like 2 hours. All right, we're gonna switch over to Top Step. I'm interested in the short at 750. I'm gonna scale in now. No. I covered by mistake. That's the trap setup that I used to trade. Let's see if it works. Probably go for like See, we could get a pullback. None so far yet. It's going to be the V-shaped reversal. Come on, let's get a pullback here. Oh, no. Do I recommend withdrawing minimum on 50K accounts as a beginner? Yes. It's only $500. You might as well take it. I mean, it pays for the account. And it doesn't really take that much of your drawdown. Oh, this account's toast, guys. Crazy how fast it goes against you. But yeah, I would definitely take it out. I wouldn't even hesitate. Yeah, I can't do Top Step for some reason either. I got some payouts from Top Step, but I'm not patient enough with Top Step. I always get caught in a trade like this eventually, and it just takes the account. I have a feeling it's just gonna rip. But as soon as I cover, it's gonna dump. So we got PMI at 10. If I blow this account, I really gotta. Nah, I just woke up, Matty Matt. I really gotta cancel this account once I fail it. I can't let it renew. I don't want to pay for Top Step X anymore. If I do Top Step, I just gotta do it on Rhythmic and take my time with it with the ORB. I can't trade Top Step on its own. I just can't do it. Like, it's just not. It's not worth the cost. It's way too expensive. Did I see the lawsuit with Apex? Yeah. Pretty awesome. People are like, oh, Apex is not making money. Well, clearly Apex is making a shit ton of money. So Apex is healthy. It's an internal lawsuit against Apex and their former employee, the owner of daytraders.com. I guess he said he was gonna. He wants more money, or he developed something for it. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's even more than that. And some months 10 million, you know, some months like 17 million profit. So it's good to know that they're making money. Well, I'm not surprised one bit. I think it was probably even more before they changed the rules. Maybe it became less like towards the end of like, you know, May when they changed the rules, but like January, February, March, I think they were probably even making more. But then maybe they saw like, all right, these people are really milking us, so we got to figure it out. And I'm surprised they're making that much still profit, but it makes sense. I mean, they're paying out $30 million a month, so you would think they got to have some kind of cushion, right? I mean, that is when a company like Apex can survive multiple months of not being profitable versus other prop firms have to shut down. And that's why new prop firms have a hard time surviving. That is why. How do you think Top Step X can just blow 300K on their house account and not even care? And do you see what I mean? When I've always said prop firms, when they put you live, they don't care about the 10%. Does this kind of profit make a $1 billion company? In revenue, maybe. In revenue, I would say, yeah. In gross income. Oh man, I went with the trend and I got destroyed. Can they just copy trade their best traders? No, because their best traders doesn't mean they're profitable. And by the time you figure out they're profitable, it's too late. Just think about it. How many profitable traders are actually profitable? And when you're trading with 5 accounts or you're trading with 20 accounts, they can't copy that size. I got to go blow my nose. I think Maddie was right. Oh, wow. Big failure there. Maybe I'll add. Come on, drop. How's it holding? Go down. All right, ideally, we're out of the trade by then. Because I think it's going to be positive. Here we go. I'll take one more off if I can. That's it. That's it. The pattern that played out here, so you got a lower low, a lower high and a lower low. And the trap, that's what I was hoping here. But right here, that's where I was hoping for. Yeah, now it goes. I don't know about a good trade, but I wasn't patient enough on the target. We'll gamble and use it a little bit. Let's gamble and use a little bit. They're profitable because they're good traders, not because of ICT. But it's going to have a stack ladder in case the news whips down and then pulls up. 10 seconds. Of course, this is an eval. Here we go. We got the sweep. Come on. Damn, that trade here would have made us the daily goal. 4,500. This is not going according to plan. I was hoping that it would snap in and, you know, bounce, but I guess the news wasn't good. But you see how I do bad on Top Step because I'm trying to go for a bigger target? If I'm scalping, I'm green on all the trades so much faster. Damn, I'm gonna hit the max loss. There he goes. All right. Well, bye, Top Step. It was nice knowing you. Why don't I scalp? Because I hate Top Step. It takes too long to scalp. I love Top Step and I try to make it work, but it just doesn't work. It just never works for me. It's I'm not good enough to trade Top Step. All right. A 15-minute opening rate trade. Beautiful. Well, the initial trade was beautiful, but I feel take profit would be the same. It's very similar, so I think I would have the same issues. Have I tried day traders? No. I could be a very rich man if I did day traders. They offered me a crazy sponsorship a while ago. But then I would have to get you guys to sign up, and I didn't feel comfortable with that. So, no. Got the Apex accounts. We got the Fidus accounts. I gotta activate another Bullnox account. I have it passed. And I have my funded futures too. Maybe I'll put that up since technically I could kind of fit it. Can't fit much, but at least a little bit. There we go. Sloppy look, but and I could put up the chat on here. How is payout policy Bullnox versus Top Step? Top Step has a really good payout policy. It's a way different policy. Top Step has one of the best ones, I think, as far as freedom goes. But freedom doesn't always mean easy. $50K combine on Top Step. Just take your time. Don't do what I just did. I just rushed it, and I was green like $600 in the trade, and I blew the account. That's my issue with Top Step. I am greedy. I am trying too much. I'm trying to push, and I do that on the funded account as well, and it just doesn't work. You get caught. Like, what are the odds that we have a 175-point move without any sort of bounce? Very rare, but that's me on Top Step. every time I get caught into that trade, you know, like you look at yesterday, like choppy as hell. And today we have a super clean, even the 50-minute opening range trade, which never is this clean. Today is very clean because I'm, of course, short. I mean, I'm long. So is Apex better than Top Step? It depends on how you look at it. No, you can't pass it in one day. It's 2 days minimum. You can't make more than 50% of profit in one day. Yep. That's the thing with Top Step. You try to go for home runs, and doesn't work. Some people could do it. I don't know how, but some people could just have big wins after big wins. I just can't. And this is going back years ago and trading stocks too. I just can never have a big winner. If I have a big winner in my hand, I keep holding too long, eventually comes back and I make nothing. Like, I had a big winner in my hand here. I was short, but I went through so much pain holding it from here. Oh, so much pain. I went through like 40 points of pain. So I covered it. Imagine I held that trade. Would have passed the the first stage. But like I was feeling like I was fighting the trade here, so that's why I do so much better at scalping. I mean, I was up like what, $600 on the trade. I didn't take it. If I was scalping, I still would have been fine. I don't blame Top Step though. That's the thing. Like, it's not Top Step's fault. Top Step just doesn't have rules. So we want to make more, and we want to make it faster. But the only reason why I even have a Top Step account, because I am a terrible person when it comes to canceling subscriptions. I am probably paying $6 a month for a subscription for a TV service that I bought in 2019 for a boxing fight. I guarantee you there's probably something $5.99 getting charged every single month for a fight that I bought, 5 years ago. So same thing with evaluations. I just forget to cancel them, and I'm going to cancel this Top Step eval. If I do Top Step again, it's going to be on Rhythmic. I want to have Top Step in my Quant Tower. I don't want to have Top Step on X. I think consistency is great. I think consistency is what keeps me. Like, it keeps me away from greed. PMI, I think. But it's also just price action. I mean, this was already developing right before the news. News came out here at 10. But yeah, it's a 250-point drop, like nothing. Could never catch it. Oh, man. Now what we're going to trade? Now where am I going to trade? We trade some Apex evals. I like to trade a funded account. I feel like trading a funded account is just so much better. I need to have a dedicated funded account for stream. Maybe Bull Knox. Yeah, there's no way FOMC's tomorrow. I gotta check. Yeah, it's minutes. It's FOMC minutes. It's nothing. No, it's closed Thursday. English, please. How's your day? How's your day, guys? Are you guys green? Who's green? Who's red on this crazy dump? I don't know, but I'm killing it. Well, if you're gonna be able to trade like that, then you might as well keep trading. Get the account to, what's the actual value you gotta get the account to? $76,000. So you need to add 126,000. Yeah, 15-minute ORB was beautiful today. I wish it was like that all the time, but gives me FOMO for not taking it. I was actually short. No, I was long. I keep thinking I was short because I keep forgetting I covered. How do you have so many rhythmics open? You could open as many rhythmics as you want. It's one of the few, well, it's actually the only Windows application I know of that you could open multiples of. I never updated my Quant Tower. Anyone updated Quant Tower? Added display of the name of the currently selected workspace. Added the ability to use MP3 files for sound alerts. Nice. Use independent windows. Whatever that means. Added splitter to manage logs. Oh. I was excited. Added ability to view connection settings when connection is active. Oh, that's a big update. Interesting. And ability to display previous daily high low line. That's pretty good. Damn, it's a huge update. Incorrect price and chart alert. Candle chart did not display water for small bars. Positions, added coloring scheme setting. P&L side. Oh, finally. I think this is going to be easier to see if you're short or long if you're watching someone trade. Because people ask me all the time. Yesterday, people had an issue with Trade of 8 with the liquidity. I don't know if that's getting fixed or what. I haven't heard. I'm not using Trade of 8, so I wouldn't know. Divergence detector. There we go. That's the strategy we need, guys. Finally, we could detect divergence and make a killing. That's the golden ticket. Finally, we're going to be millionaires, guys. There it is. The detector of divergence. Ooh, naked levels. Quant Tower is starting its own OnlyFans. We're going to trade the naked levels, guys. DX feed, added order book aggregation setting. Damn, this is a massive update. Look, I'm still scrolling. I don't know. Okay, almost done. Nothing interesting here. Copy trading panel. Disable the ability to change bot settings while it is running to prevent issues. Multiple fixes and improvements for specific cases. Okay. Nothing specific, but order entry panel. You could do money risk now instead of just ticks. I gotta update. We're gonna update after I read all this. Positions panel. Added the ability to manage order of trading buttons on toolbar, huh? I would love for them to make an account performance panel for all the accounts as a drop-down menu, not like all the accounts show up in one panel, not freaking one account at a time. Why can't they fix that? There's already third-party plugins for that. Fair value gap, fixes and improvements. There we go. Another golden strategy, guys. Quant Tower is going to be great. We got the fair value gap and the divergence detector. Gonna make a lot of money. All right, let's update this bad boy. See if we could find any of those changes. Let me just update, guys. But yeah, I don't know if they're fixing the trade of 8 issues. Apparently that's like trade of 8 issue, not even Apex. Apparently like it's Top Step had that issue too. Okay. We are back. Windows detected outside of the visible area. Yes. All right. Let's see, guys. Lock trading. See, you can lock the account now. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, let's see if we can find any of those changes. We need like an eval. It said something about okay, it doesn't really. Okay, let's go to settings. Visual trading. Positions. Currency. Gross, net. Ticks and currency. Oh, coloring scheme. PNL versus side. Well, it should be the side, I guess. But that's not what I was hoping. Orders. Positions. I need to be. When I'm short, I need to. Trades. Oh, what is this? Marker 2. Oh, finally. Yeah. But it's not really showing properly. I think they still got a bunch of work to do on this. But you see how it's got the little arrow thingies? Order entry, quick ruler. Okay, also said that we could show previous days low and high. Where could that be? Oh, man. That was a beautiful entry there. Let me see what it looks like on... See, it doesn't display it properly. Wow. Lame. Prop firms court. There's an issue with trade of 8. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see what they do about that. But definitely issues. I guess we're going to trade an eval, because why not? And scalp. That was kind of weird. I couldn't see anything. Up 4.5 grand on my XFA. Very nice, Chris. See, that's what Top Step is great for. Top Step is so amazing when you can get big profit days like that. That's when Top Step shines. Good job. Yeah, I saw the lawsuit. Oh, Kelly already made a video? Damn, she loves drama. It's actually a positive news for Apex. I mean, I'm not surprised one bit. I mean, making $30 million in payouts a month, you would think that they gotta be very profitable. Yeah. I wonder how much it was before they changed the rules. I mean, you need prop firms to be profitable, right? It's how they operate. Yeah, but they're paying out 30 million, so think about it. Like you can't operate paying out 30 million and grossing only or netting only like $1 million in profit. That's too tight of a margin. With Apex making 10 to 15 million dollars in profit a month, they're able to go through months of not being profitable. That's how they're able to pay Patrick 600,000. It's not because he's an influencer, it's because he made the money and he didn't break any rules. Right? This is how they are able to pay Kane $2 million. It's really not that big of a deal. If someone makes the money without breaking rules, they'll pay. It means they're okay financially, and it means that they're doing really well. So we don't have to worry about getting liquidated like with Fast Track, Flexi, or Profit Trade. It also shows you a few other things. Shows you why Top Step, they don't really care if they lost $300,000. Like people are like, oh, why would you lose $300,000? Because to us, $300,000 is a lot, right? So they lost $300,000 on their live house account. That's peanuts to them. Top Step is probably making the same amount of profit as Apex or close to it. How much did Patrick make? He made like $600,000 withdrawal end of the year. He made like $50,000 per account. I think 11 accounts or something, or 12 accounts. Well, he wasn't a horrible trader for those 55 days. You can't fake 55 days. You could fake 5 days. Like on Top Step, you could fake it for 5 days, as in like you get lucky. Can't fake it for 55 or whatever days it was. Hey, I think I'm a horrible trader. And I'm going to make $300,000 this year trading for 1 minute a day. Not even 1 minute. Today's trade was like a second. I think I was done at like 9:30:05. 5 seconds into the open. Let's see. Let's see exactly how long did it take. Why is it not showing the account? Order history, recent orders. I failed my sales at 9:30:05. No. My trade wasn't even a second. Oh my God, it was 0 seconds. Is that possible? I don't even know. You can make 600 but also spend a ton for fees. Yeah. I mean, I would do it. If I knew I could make it, right? Because you gotta look at it from a business perspective. If you have a $600,000 grossing business and you have 3 employees, they make 50,000 each. That's 150,000. Then you have expenses, another 100,000. So you're netting 300,000 for yourself. That's a great business. But in trading, if you spend 300K on fees to make 600,000 gross, that's horrible. I don't know why people think that, but in trading, it seems like it's horrible. But it depends how you look at it. Are you looking at it as a business or are you looking at it as a trading a live account, right? All depends how you look at it. Yeah. Yeah, it's 40K in 2023 for Nutty. I'm probably like 50K. I haven't done the math yet. I got to do it soon for taxes, but I spent a lot in this last quarter of the year. I spent a lot on the $250,000 accounts. That was the biggest mistake of 2024 for me, the $250,000 accounts. What a waste of money. And obviously, fast track. Fast track trading was the most expensive mistake of 2024. I am just glad I never said I'm trading with them. So I never got one single person to sign up with them. TB, you can't look at it taxes because taxes, everyone pays taxes, right? Everyone's paying taxes. If you make 100,000 net profit, you're making a shit ton of money. Most people make 100,000 gross profit. Like the good thing about being self-employed is you can write off a lot of things that you can't write off as an employee. Like I write off my gas. I write off my food when I go out to eat. You can't write off everything, but there's obviously there's a code for food and all that stuff. But little things like that, like your cell phone. Everyone has a cell phone, right? Well, I get to write mine off. Even my personal one because it's my backup, right? I have 2 cell phones, but I could write off my personal cell phone for my backup internet for trading. That's my internet in case my house internet goes out. My phone is my hotspot, and therefore that qualifies as a expense, tax write-off. Retail says that I get really bothered. I don't really get bothered by it, but it seems like a lot of people with prop from payouts think it makes them a good trader. Yeah. If you notice that with someone, that means they're just very cocky. And a lot of times It's also for social media, brag. I see posts of profitable trades and then never see payouts, you know. That's also something people like think they're good because they had a good, 2-3 days and then you don't see a payout. That's why that's why you got to be careful who you listen to and who you learn from. I say how it is. In prop firms, you could be an unprofitable trader and you can make a shit ton of money. And I think that's how I changed the YouTube space or the prop firm space. That's how I got a lot of people on it. I got backlash for it, but to me, that's common sense. And to me, that's just the reality of it. I look at the account as an expense of whatever I pay for the account, not what the risk is in the account. Is that a bad thing from a business perspective? That I look at my losses as what I paid for the account and not what's in the account? Like, is that such a bad thing to do? Like, call me a schemer if you want, but don't really care. Trading is hard. That's 99.9% of people don't make it long term in trading, right? It's the reality of it. Being profitable in prop firms is not easy either. The percentage is not that much better there. It's better, but not much better. That's why I would never trade full time. Yeah, TB. I mean, I traded stocks. I traded for 7 years with my personal money, so I know exactly what it takes to make a lot. And making $100,000 trading with your personal account is a shit ton of money. And all the people on social media, they're making money off their courses and off their paid chat rooms. That's the reality of it. There's way more money in that. Like, we think trading brings a lot of income? Nah. $1 million to them is nothing. How old am I? I am 35 and 13 months. I just turned 36. Affiliate money is good too. That's for sure. Affiliate money is more... I don't know. Some people do it for affiliates. Some people, I could make a shit ton of... The way my YouTube is now, I could make a shit ton of money with affiliates, I think. If I just shilled every single prop firm, posted content, made drama. Yeah, I would make a lot of money, I think. But that's just not me. I'm happy with people using my code organically, whoever wants to. I make a lot of people from my Discord community. There's people in my Discord sharing codes. Not everyone uses my code in my Discord. There's people that share Apex codes and Bullnox codes. Every prop firm that we trade, there's codes all over my Discord from other people. And I know people make, a little bit of money on the side because of my Discord. They don't have a social media presence. Is there any streamers that you know that are live? As in live, as in what? Well, Nutty went live with Top Step. Being live doesn't really mean much. I don't know. Because they could be live for a month and then not be live, you know? So all depends. Right now I have Apex, Fidus, Bullnox. You could see them all here, actually. Fidus, Apex, Bullnox, and my funded futures. I would love to do Tradeovate. I keep saying Tradeovate, Tradeify, but they don't have a Quant Tower connection, so I don't do them. Hello, Alpine. Is it possible by Apex trading more accounts? Is it only possible by Apex trading? No, there's other platforms that allow you multiple accounts. I'm assuming that's your question. Apex, you could have 20. Fidus, you could have 20. Bullnox, you could have 11. Take profit is 3 accounts, right? Or 5? 3, I think. I do not trade with take profit. I think I finally tried and I failed the first eval. So I kind of gave up. 5-day evals. Definitely tough. And again, I do not gain anything from trading take profit. I'm not the type of trader to benefit from take profit. Take profit, you could see how it's, yeah, that's how it's spelled, but you could see it here. I don't benefit from a fast payout. Like Fidus is 1 payout a month. It's horrible payout policy. It's 1 a month. But that's why I have these accounts on the side. And that's why I'm not worried about trading these accounts, because I have till January 25th to get these accounts to 52,600. That's the only goal I have. Doesn't matter how much I make in a day. None of that matters. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 more days of trading to get to 2,600. So hopefully I could get there with at least 2 or 3 accounts. Take Profit is one of the best prop firms when it comes to payouts and stuff and drama. There's 0 drama with Take Profit. I highly recommend Take Profit, even though I'm not affiliated or trade with them. That's one prop firm I could say, like, listen, I don't trade with them, but they're as legit as it gets. But prop firms like that do have the negative side, which is the eval stage. You just got denied. What happens if you get denied with Apex? You just got to trade for another 8 days. And why'd you get denied? Have I ever been paid from Fidus? No. Nope. It's my first set of accounts. I know people that got paid in my Discord. That's why I sign up with them. But Fidus does not allow DCA. I know that. Okay, so you broke the 30% rule. So you remember, you can't make more than 30% of profit in one single day. What was your biggest trading day? You could go in your dashboard and you could see your biggest trading day. Tick Tick is kind of legit, yeah. Uh-oh. No good. Oh yeah, TB, I love it. It's 1 minute a day. Win or lose, I'm not stressed. Well, relatively speaking. There's no I should have done this, should have done that. And it's profitable long term for me. And like I did the math yesterday. With 20 accounts, all I got to make is $17,000, right? $17,000. And that will get me to my goal for the year. And a FedEx delivery? What the hell did I order? Oh, guys, I ordered something I don't even know what. Never mind. Another V shape. Yeah, I should have scalped the top step account. Let's take a look. I'm just not huge on straight to funded accounts. They just seem very expensive. Wait, they put you live after 10 days? This is pretty smart business model. But how do they make money on this? Because you'll make money on the sim phase. And they got to put it into a live account, but there's no money in the sim account, right? So they actually got to put up the money. But this is like an eval, basically. Yeah, it's quite expensive. But it's not bad. But again, Tradeovate, I can't. I gotta launch my Ninja Trader again. I don't even know how to do that. All these trade to funded accounts are Ninja Trader. I might have to switch over with the opening range breakout trade to Ninja Trader. I just don't know if I would be able to do it the way I like to. I guess there's plugins, right? There's got to be a plugin on Ninja Trader for being able to do this. But I make good money with Quant Tower. They gave me a free license. I've made how much did I make on Quant Tower? Let's see. I made $6,000 on Quant Tower. Not bad. It's like $500 a month or something, on average. Well, I'm not worried about Crawford. I'm not worried about placing the bracket. I want to be able to have a mouse like this because I can't right click and it happens too quick. I need to be able to see the price that I'm at and be able to click one button on the mouse to get in on both sides of the trade. Which I know with plugins on NinjaTrader, everything's possible. I feel like NinjaTrader is the most powerful trading software out there. Oh, come on. Come on. There we go. 876. Don't think I like these arrows. They got to work on them. Do I use TradingView? No. Nice, Crawford. I feel like I would have done way better scalping on Top Step. Let's scalp this chop. Nah, my win rate is very high, but this is just evals. Takes one trade to mess it all up. Kind of like this. Now I got greedy on the second entry. See if we could survive this. It's crazy how fast it just goes against you when it turns. Goodbye. It lags. It's pretty much done now. Oh. If I survive this, that's going to be crazy. Come on. No. I want to get this ad. Nah, that's going to fail. I needed to get this ad to fill. This is going to fall apart now. Oh, just can't pass evals on stream. The only way I pass evals is just 10 contracts all at once. That's the only way I pass evals, really. This is how I pass evals, just so you guys know. Obviously, I don't scalp. I just do this at the right time, and that's how I pass them. Have a hard time doing it otherwise. Let's see. Revenge. Come on. There we go. See? Much easier to pass that way. And I got bottom ticked on that trade, so that's bull crap. If I would have never added there, I probably would have been still in, would have survived. But that's how I pass evals. I mean, I don't waste time on them. Fail and pass, fail, pass. I'm back to 14 accounts tomorrow. I gotta activate ball knocks as well. And as soon as I get a payout with my funded futures, I'm gonna be working on my funded futures. I want to have full accounts with them. Oh, wait, guys. I could have 2 accounts with ball knocks. Look at this. This account is at 2,086. Do we try to pass it? But will they let me activate 2 more accounts? They should. Actually, I don't know if I have enough days on it. Oh, no, never mind. Bull Knox is 1 day to pass now. Philip, Bull Knox is 10 days. Michael, no. It's end of this week. End of this week we'll know. I have 1, 2, 3 accounts. So that's 6,000. But I'm trying to get all these accounts, all these 9 accounts to 54,100. And then this account to 52,600. And then this account to 54,100 as well. So this account needs to be at 54,100. What is Nutty doing? Who's bullying Nutty? Let's go defend. I'm the defense attorney. Oh, what is on his Apex accounts? What is he getting a hard time for? I love how Kellyanne is giving so much advice. How's Fidus? I don't know. I'm trying to find out myself. All right, more chop. Should I try to pass this account to be back at 4 bull knocks? Actually gonna email them. Maybe they'll activate an account today. Am I copy trading bull knocks accounts? No. Never that. I would never copy trade bull knocks accounts. Why? December 27th, 29th. Let's see if I have a recording of that. I'm liking this long. Getting closer. Let me see. Do I have a recording of that? ORB. Where are my recordings? Videos, opening range. But this is from last year, right? Yeah. Okay, 1229. I don't have a recording of that. But the 27th, I called it a lucky ORB. So let's see what happened. I hate when it sells off right before. Because now I don't have any clear levels. So I just go based on... See how I didn't get filled? Just pure luck. There's nothing there. If I would have been filled short, it would have been a loss. So that was the 27th. So my entry was 838 in a quarter. But 29th, I don't have a recording of it. I forgot to record. This is 1230. This is when I had partial fills on my big evals. Like not everything failed. It makes no sense. The price went lower, but I guess I know what happens now. There was a slippage on when I entered. There was a slippage, not all contracts, because this was like 15 contract positions. I failed those evals actually. I was up. This is a 250K eval. I was at $12,000 in profit and I lost it. I was $3,000 away from passing. It's incredible how unfortunate that is. Even though I don't mind it because I would never get a payout. Oh, man. We do. Oh, so tempted to long this.
Yeah, I know Tilly the Don. I'm trying to, I should know this was going to happen. Should have known this was going to happen after I did my video on what worked for me last year and everything.
I was just telling Nutty to take a breather and walk away for 15 minutes. What a chop now. Do I use moving averages? Not really. The only time I use a moving average is for my opening range trade. But I try not to, and then sometimes I regret not using it. There's one setup I don't like taking on the ORB because it always loses, and I still take it. I feel like I always... you guys want to see my fast track trading accounts? I used to record my trades because I was like, people are not going to believe me that I got a payout with fast track because I haven't shown it. So I was recording my trades on the... This is fast track. Man, good old days. Ever show my accounts? No. That was on fast track. Oh, there it goes. I missed the long. And now I would chase and I would lose. Always. I'm just tempted to pass this eval today, but I probably shouldn't. Should probably just wait till ORB tomorrow. Yeah, Oliver Velez. Yeah, chop is pure gold. It's just... The problem is, as soon as you get into a trade and the chop stops, then what happens? Then you get caught on the wrong side. But I'll be signing off here in 30 minutes, maybe even less. And there, there it goes. See, I liked it long. I would have chased it, and I would have been smacked, just like that. We don't notice it, right? Because it's chop, but that's a 73-point move. 70 points, just like that. NASDAQ is a... I don't know. I should probably trade ES. I feel like NASDAQ is just death lately. It's just... It's hard to let the trades breathe. Oh man, this isn't. So let's see, 3 contracts here. It's still decent volume. I haven't traded ES in so long. Yeah, 50 points is death. It's crazy because to get 50 points your way, it's hard. I mean, NASDAQ is trading at 21,000. We were just... So last year, we started at, no, that's 23. That's 2 years ago. 2 years ago was at 11,000. Last year we were at 16,000. I don't know why I don't invest money into the market. I see it go up over time and I just always think it's going to crash. I earned 4% on my SoFi. Instead of putting that money into the market, making probably 10% a year. Yeah, I'm going to buy the top. I'll let you guys know when I decide to invest, when to not long the NQ, just go short every day. It's going to be like the repeat of the FOMC we had. Yeah, TB, it's very hard to trade NQ any other way other than scalping. It's the easiest way to beat the system. And that's why these prop firms don't want us doing it. Oh, man. Yeah, trend is always going until you enter. It's always like that. And then when it finally turns your way, you get out. And if you get out, it was you know, you got out too early. But if you don't get out, you held too long and it reverses. It's just crazy how the market works. And this is something you can't teach anyone. Because you could be right and still lose money. It's all about timing. You know how many people lost money on like AMC and GameStop that were up a shit ton? Adrian, that's good. That's good that you're worried about the risk. I do that on evals, so I don't care for risk, right? But on funded accounts, I used to always trade like this too, with no stop, but with less size. So basically, I would risk the account, but it was a different type of risk because I would spread out my trades and the volatility was less, you know, than it is now. So I was able to fight an account for hours before losing it. And I used to do that on evals. I mean, not on evals, on micros recently too. I don't know if you guys remember. Maybe we should start doing that again. But the only way I do micros is reversals. I can't go trend. So I would build a long position now into micros and I would risk like $500 and try to make $300. I could do that on one of the PP accounts. But I'm heading out in 20 minutes. But tomorrow, if you guys remind me, we could trade micros on one of the accounts. Yeah, they're fixing the accounts. I just don't know how they're fixing them. Are they just resetting everything to zero, or what have you made profit? What a chop. But long is probably the way to go. I don't know if I should keep trading that eval one more time just to be able to pass it tomorrow. I'll actually will trade ES. See what the hell. What the hell can we do on ES? Which eval was it? Okay. See how this... See, it still moves a lot. Damn. Instant reversal. Great. Wow. This whole move, and I buy the top because I'm trying to get a breakout. Oh, Jesus Christ. So much for ES moving slower. And it's going to blow the account in seconds. I don't think it's been a minute yet since I entered. Maybe a minute. Accounts were freezing on TradeAway yesterday. Yes, there was some issue yesterday and today, but they're fixing it. Come on, hold the line. I just wanted to show people how dangerous ES is, okay? Does Rhythmic have a built-in copier? No. Not that I know of. Maybe. I mean, I don't know anyone that trades on Rhythmic. Come on, last trade of the stream. Go up. Pull up. Oh, man, this account was almost passed. Why did I do that? Oh. I bought at the top. Inch up. Think it's going to break out. I was going for 1 bar. Not even 1 bar. There goes the account. No, it's not going to pump. Last one, yeah. TradeAway accounts had an issue like that. Yeah, I'm in the ES. I didn't expect it to move that much. Go. That's one. I lost a couple accounts too. I lost on the second day of the year, and I tried to scalp it back, and I lost a couple accounts. Can it go up, guys? What do you think? No, wrong way. What a chop. Jeez. Nothing worse than being in the chop and not the top of the chop, on the wrong side of it. And I can't add more because the range is too big. And I was close to passing this eval. I would have passed it tomorrow on the ORB. And now I'm going to fail. $300K PA account is wild. It's a lot of money that you got to make to get a payout. And it's a small payout too. Like, you got to make a shit ton of money and you don't get a lot of it. I'm not a fan. Oh, camera died. Again and again and again. Great. Oh, so stupid. Well, scalping is not going well. That's all right. It's a eval, 90% discounted eval. But all right, guys, I'm going to be calling it. I'm going to try to stream from 9:30 to like 11:30, maybe 12. That's going to be like the schedule. So, because I don't trade, right? I'm just forcing trades. Like, opening range trade is where it's at. I'm going to try. Like, I would love, my dream is to get on the stream at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, an hour before the market opened, so we could talk, we could chill, and have something to look forward to at 9:30, and then stream another hour or two and be done. Getting on right before 9:30 is just not good. Now I feel good. I don't care about evals. Obviously, I'm super excited about my Apex accounts and the balances that are in them. $4,000 in balances is quite healthy. That's the dream. Not sure if I should trade the top 3 accounts tomorrow. I still need to make at least $50 on them, so that's the thing. You know, so I think I'm just gonna trade them because I don't think I have 5 trading days yet. 5 green days. I think I have 4 green days. Yeah, I have 4 green days. I need 1 more green day. And then if I have a green day tomorrow, then I am gonna flip the last day. Wow, what a terrible, terrible entry, guys. Holy shit, it doesn't get much worse than that. Yeah, I got kind of lucky on the opening range. I got the top tick exit. But I'll take it. No, there's no specific levels. It's all intuition based. That's how I like it. If it was specific levels, then it would just kind of, it would be like the 15-minute opening range trade. Just very choppy. I am bored and I might play my funded futures eval. I'll be getting more evals with my funded futures as soon as I get this account to pay out, which I need tomorrow to be green. If tomorrow's green, I'll secure a bull knox payout. I'll secure my funded futures payout. I'll secure FIDA's payout. So that's 3 payouts from non-Apex accounts. And then obviously I'll secure Apex payouts. I'll secure 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, $14,000 with Apex. And then I'll get close to 16, 18,000. So I'll be 18, 20, 21 and a half, 22 and a half thousand. So tomorrow is pretty much a $20,000 day. If it's green or red, depends if I get 20,000 this week or not. Except FIDA's. FIDA's is end of the month, but it will be secured. I'm not going to touch that account. It's well over 10 days now. And I'll just wait. But the goal for the month of January is 30,000. So if I get this payout, then hopefully 1 more. Nice Apex trades. Is Trade of A okay now? I don't know. I haven't heard an update. Careful Thursday. Yeah. I think Thursday I'm gonna YOLO all my accounts. I think I'm gonna go 10 contracts each. Full boat. Full port. I think Thursday's gonna be the day. Did I lose a PA or eval? Eval account. I didn't trade my PAs except for the opening range, which is the plan. Yeah, I know. Big 40. Unfortunately, the markets close on Thursday, guys. We haven't had a 5-day week in a month, it seems like. And then next week is also closed on Monday. Not this Monday, but the following Monday is also closed. So it's like holiday after holiday after holiday. And it's like, come on, we need 5 trading days in a week, not 4. We're trying to make payouts happen here. We can't make payouts when the market's closed. Will pre-market on Thursday count as a trading day? No. Anything from 6 p.m. on Wednesday night until... I'm sure Thursday's going to be open, right? Like the half day type of thing, or no? Like low volume? It's not going to be fully closed, right? Or is it going to be completely closed? But if the stock market's closed, I don't trade futures. All right, guys, it's 12 o'clock. We're going to head out, go to the gym. Had a good workout yesterday. Going to try to do it again today. That's one of my resolutions, is just to try to get back into routine with fitness, because I used to love it and now I hate it. I really hate it, but hopefully can get back into it. What a dump. I bought the literal top. Terrible. Anticipating a breakout. Anyway, guys, love you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Again, I only trade one trade a day. I wasn't really streaming because of that. People said they want me to stream because it's not about just trading. It's more about just the vibe. So here I am, but I'm trying to trade some evals. Obviously, it's not going well. I failed 3 evals today and I passed 1. So, not good. I do better when I just YOLO evals, I think. But big day tomorrow. Tomorrow is a big day, guys. Big day tomorrow. I'm nervous. Now I'm nervous. The more I think about it, the more nervous I get. But it doesn't matter. It could lose tomorrow and we'll just have to wait till next week for a payout. All right? It's not the end of the world to lose. All right, guys. Later. See you tomorrow. Hit the likes and hit the subscribe button on your way out if you haven't subscribed. Love you guys, and I will see everyone tomorrow. But hit the likes. It definitely helps with the stream. All right, guys. See ya.